Namaste children. In this video we are going to learn how to do the additions in money. Before starting this, already we have learned 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? Yes, 100 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Okay, let us start this one. See, first we have to write rupees and pies. See, 12 rupees, 20 pies plus 54 rupees, 75 pies. See, how we have to do addition here? First you have to add pies, then rupees. See, 0 plus 5 is 5. If you add 0 to any number, you will get same number. So, 5. Next, 2 plus 7, 9. Now, pi is completed. Now, we have to add rupees. See, 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, here what is the answer? 66 rupees, 95 pies. What is the answer, children? 66 rupees, 95 pies. Let us see another example. Here see, 25 rupees, 35 pies plus 42 rupees, 75 pies. Let us do the addition. First you have to add pies. See, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is a double digit number. So, carry 1 here and write 0. 10. Next, add 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So, here also we are getting double digit number. So, carry 1 here and write 1. Now, add rupees. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Next, 2 plus 4, 6. So, what is the answer, children, here? 68 rupees, 10 pies. What is the answer? 68 rupees, 10 pies. Understood, children, how to do the additions? First, you have to add pies, then add rupees. Now, let us see how to do the subtraction in money. Okay, see here, 52 rupees, 60 pies minus 13 rupees, 25 pies. So, how to do the subtraction? Here, before starting the subtraction, here you have to check the pies. See, here you are having 60, here you are having 25. See, 60 is greater than 25. So, we can do subtraction normally. Okay, you have to check this part. Okay, 60 is big number, 25 is small. So, you can do subtraction. Okay, see. Always, here also you have to first subtract pies, then rupees. See, 0 minus 5 we can't do. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow from here. So, here will be 5 and here will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, subtract rupees. See, 2 minus 3 we can't do. So, borrow. Borrow from here. Here will be 4. Here will be 12. 12 9. Next, 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is the answer, children? 39 rupees 35 pies. 39 rupees 35 pies. Let us see this example. 35 rupees 25 pies minus 12 rupees 50 pies. Okay, before doing subtraction, what you have to check? Here you have to check pies. Here 25, here 30. 25 is small, 30 is big. So from small number, we can't subtract big number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. Okay, from where you have to borrow? You have to borrow from rupees. Understood? From 35 rupees, I am taking 1 rupee. So it will become 34 rupees. And already we have learned 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So if the 1 is in rupees side, we will read as 1 rupee. If the 1 rupee will go to pies, it will become 100 pies. Okay. For that 100, we have to add this number 25. So 100 plus 25 is 125. I am writing here 125. Okay. I am explaining once again. Here 25 is small, 50 is big. So from small number we can't subtract big number. So we have to borrow. From where we have to borrow? We have to borrow from rupees. So from 34 rupees you have to borrow 1 rupee. So from 35 if you will take 1, it will become 34 rupees. Okay, 34 rupees and 1 rupee. If the 1 will go to pies, it will become 100 pies. So for 100, you have to add 25. 100 plus 25, 125. Okay. Now see, here 125 pies, here 50 pies. This is big and this is small. So we can do subtraction. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Here you can consider two numbers. 12 minus 5. How much? 7. Now pies completed. Now subtract rupees. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is the answer? 22 rupees 75 pies. Understood, children, how to do the subtraction? Hope you have understood this topic. Now complete the given assignment and send answers through WhatsApp. Thank you.